Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Somewhere, somehow, your house was invaded by bugs, and now your houseplants have pests. Are they aphids, scale, whiteflies, or thrips? If you don't know, find out, because the more information you have about a pest, the more likely you are to conquer it. Once you've identified the invader, pick your weapon. Let's look at 7 environmentally friendly treatments for ridding your plants of insects. 1. Insecticidal soap. Safe and very efficient. Spray it evenly on all surfaces of the plant. It's available commercially. 2. Soap and water. An old home remedy that works. A safe ratio is 1 tablespoon of non-detergent liquid soap to 1 gallon of water. 3. Hot water. A dip in water of about 107 degrees can kill most insects, but it puts the plant's health at risk too. Submerge the plant for about 15 to 30 minutes. 4. Horticultural oil. It works like insecticidal soap. Be sure to find an oil that's registered for indoor use on plants. 5. Rubbing alcohol. Lots of houseplant growers swear by using rubbing alcohol. Apply it by dipping a cotton Q-tip and dabbing each insect one by one. Or if you lack patience, you can make a spray of 7 parts water to 1 part rubbing alcohol. 6. Garlic spray. Don't use this unless you love garlic. And 7. Sticky traps. A yellow card coated with an adhesive. You can buy these or make your own. Sticky traps are very effective. They make for great conversations at the office. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.